Hey, hello, Rob here. In this video we are going to restore the classic right-click context menu in Windows 11. You know, the way it was in Windows 10. I also created a how-to document that you can print out or keep on your desktop. It shows you how to do things, how to undo things. So even when you forget about my video, you still have the information. So let's get started. I'm in my Windows 11 virtual machine and this is what we are talking about, the Windows 11 context menu. We want to go back to the old one from Windows 10. There's a simple way to do this. Press Start, type Registry, and you want to go to your current user, Software, Classes, and you have to scroll down a bit. CLSID. Now I'll make it a bit bigger. You want to create a new key. Copy this in it and you create another key. You copy this. Now you have to make sure that this is empty. This is not empty. Now it's empty. But let's close this. We still have the Windows 11 context menu. You can go to Task Manager, type in Explorer, restart this. You can also just log in and out or restart your computer, whatever you prefer. But now you have the old, I think better, context menu back. If you want to remove it again, just delete the key. And now it's back again, the Windows 11 version. And that's how you do and undo the old right-click context menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips in the future. If you have any questions or ideas on other topics you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.